take that step and provide whatever resources are going to make that more doable. If they're already vegan, we want to help people find vegan food, find other vegans, find vegan events, such as the Philly Vegan Awards. But as I say, we do have a Veg History Museum case. This is just one little piece of it, obviously. And we are going to be adding these tongs to the Veg History Museum case. When Rachel Klein appeared on Beat Bobby Flay, she was not allowed to bring any of her own equipment. She had to use the studio's equipment, but she knew she was going to be on there, and she knew that she was going to be in a situation where she had to be able to move quickly, no matter how they happened to have her cooking space set up. So she practiced by arranging things in random places around her kitchen and just practicing putting recipes together and not necessarily being able to remember where everything was at the time, and getting better and better at being able to figure things out, which may have been part of the key to her success. And these tongs were the ones that she used during that entire practice session, her grabbers, as she said. So these will be one of the historic artifacts that we're adding to the Veg History Museum case. Yes, please, a round of applause for the tongs! So, also following up on the Future of Food theme, Rachel herself is an award recipient because we are honoring her tonight as part of the Future of Food. But again, we have asked her if you had to select somebody who you think is up and coming. Obviously, Rachel Klein's been working in this space for quite some time. Somebody who's just pretty much getting started, getting going. And Rachel, as did Rich Landau, agreed to make a very short video where she would announce her decision on that. And we do not have the video playing through the speakers. It plays loud enough that you can hear it if everybody is quiet. Okay? So we're going to switch over to the video now. We're all going to be quiet. Rachel Klein, maybe virtual Rachel Klein. So we do have awards that we will be distributing to these surprise winners, Alex Keel and Kimberly Resnick. For now, the awards will be accepted on their behalf by this lecturer. I know it was hard to hear. So, okay. So the winners that Rachel Klein chose, for anyone who was having a hard time hearing the video, are Kimberly Resnick of Lil Yentas and Alex Gill of La Llamada Vegana. So let's have one more round of applause. And now we come to the moment where we find out who is going to be the champion of the best vegan cheesesteak in Philly 2023. No? Yes?
Yes?
That's what it says, best vegan cheesesteak in Philly. Anyway, we're going to find that out. As you know, we had our 4 other illustrious judges. We had Angela Val, Fred Dinshaw, Jeff Winter, and Sophia Carter, all tasting the top 3 vote getters. Now, I'm going to read the specification as in previous contests. The sandwich, this has to be a sandwich on a long vegan roll that is identified as a cheesesteak on the permanent menu, including both an animal-free meat substitute and an animal-free cheese substitute. And the nominees are Boardwalk Vegan, Love Again Local, and Primary Plant-Based. And I got some comments from the judges who wrote on their note cards. All of the judges pretty much agreed that all of the cheesesteaks were very good. They were excellent. And so it was hard to choose a winner, but we did get a winner from the ranking of the judges. And so now, without any further ado, I am going to open this up and find that the winner of Best Vegan Cheesesteak in Philly 2023 is Boardwalk Vegan. And thanks to a snafu in my ordering of these awards, you right now will get this custom Vance Lempool lettered certificate, whereas you will also be mailed a permanent certificate from the American Vegan Society. So, Boardwalk Vegan, best vegan cheesesteak in Philly. And now we have one last category, and this is a big one because it's Best New Vegan Restaurant, and that means new since the last Philly Vegan Awards. Well, this time, in a 4-year span, there are a lot of new vegan restaurants. There was a lot of competition in that, and we're going to ask the president of the American Vegan Society, Fred Dinshaw, to come and bestow the Best New Vegan Restaurant Award. Fred Dinshaw.
Well, the category is Best New Vegan Restaurant. And this is for an entirely vegan menu offering sit-down meals that has opened since November 2019. The nominees are Boardwalk Vegan, Monster Vegan, and Primary Plant-Based. We need a drum roll here. And the winner is Primary Plant-Based.
Strange mix of hours. Nobody wants to sit through that. It means the world to me because people that eat vegan is our community that nominate us. So it's just extra special. And I didn't try to promote any voting. I didn't vote myself. I just really wanted, if we were to win, I wanted it to be very organic. Our restaurant, we don't have promote. We just put our heads down and cook every day. We use Instagram, but that's about it. So the fact that we get this award just means that we're doing a good job.
All right, that is the Philly Vegan Awards for tonight. We do have a little time. We managed to finish before 9, which was a miracle. So if people want to assemble for different winners' photos and everything, they'll still have time for that, but I'm not going to keep you sitting here as it's getting a little hot. Yes? Is it just me? Is it just me that's not? Thank you. Seriously. I want to thank everybody again for coming out and helping us recognize some of the great vegan food that Philadelphia offers. And I want to reiterate that this is something about Philadelphia that I think ties into the veg history. But either way, it's something that more people are finding out about Philly all the time. And it's actually bringing people to Philadelphia. So tell your friends about Philly, this great vegan scene, and tell them about the American Vegan Center. And be sure to be ready to vote again and to celebrate vegan food again in the next Philly Vegan Awards, which we're hoping to have again in 2 years, barring some other thing that gets in the way. But this time we're going to be more determined. We're going to go ahead and do that. So again, thanks everybody, and keep on.